What's up, guys? Today we're going drifting, so as you can see we've got the car in the trailer all loaded up and ready to go. It's all painted, looking great. There were some upgrades I wanted to do before this event, but there just wasn't time to get around to those, so we're just going to take it the way it is, get some seat time in it, and then we can do upgrades before the next event. So we're just going to our local track, which is about 2 hours away in Cedar Rapids. So it's a little bit of a drive, but not too bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and close up the trailer and hit the road. We'll see you guys there. hopefully I got some video of that, but I was on track chasing Michael. It was a great lap, and I got into the last outside zone and I heard a bang. And I wasn't sure what it was, so I clutch kicked it and tried to drift it, but it just straightened out. So I came to a stop and got out and looked, and it turns out one of my front control arms just sheared off at the ball joint, which I'll show you guys right now. So as you can see, the wheel is not turned the right direction. It got up in the fender, pretty much destroyed the fender. But basically it just sheared off right at the ball joint, the bolt that goes through the subframe. So super unfortunate. If I had an extra control arm, I could have swapped it in like 15 minutes and been back on track, but unfortunately I did not have a spare for that. And then there was the whole shabacle of getting the car back on the trailer with it broken like this. I ended up just leaving it on track all night because it was a 2-day event, so we just pushed it off to the side of the track where it wouldn't get hit. And then Sunday morning I went out there with the truck and trailer, and I used my come along to pull it up onto the trailer after jacking up the front of the car to get that wheel off the ground, because otherwise that wheel was just dragging and destroying the fender even more. So all in all, it took about an hour just to get it on the trailer. It was a butt ton of work, and I think I'll definitely be taking some wheel dollies with me in the future. I think that would help a lot, and then I could just set it on a wheel dolly and then pull it or push it into the trailer. But we got her on there, we got her home, so I guess now I have an excuse to upgrade this to an SLR angle kit. But we'll get into all of that and all of the damage in the next video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Until then, that's going to do it for this one.